So here today we will discuss the next segment is a flash ADC converter. So it is a using by discrete components. Why it is discrete component? Because of this is what resistor. These are what amplifier LM324, which is used to quad amplifier. Okay, so it is a 7 3-bit ADC. That means we are getting output is 3-bit here, LSB and MSB 3-bit from all 0 to all 1 analog to digital converter. So that means we are applying analog input here as the reference voltage. Where input is varying continuously, we are getting continuous change or the output occur in digital manner. So all these red which shows the positive supply for required IC. That means LM324 requires plus 5 volt VCC, and this is a potential divider arrangement. Okay, so with the help of this resistor we are getting different voltages, that particular 3, 5, 10, 12. Okay, these are what one IC, this is one IC. So 8 minus 1 we are getting 7. So here 7 comparator we are used. These are LM324 amplifier which we call, or which are configuring in the comparator mode. Okay, comparator mode. So with the help of one voltage and this voltage, this comparator compares two voltages and convert it into digital manner. So here we are called as a C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7. Okay, so right now job is what required here, 0 voltage, 0 to onwards we have to increase, and this is a fixed voltage to require the IC power supply. So make it 1 for 5 volt. See, 1 is 5 volt, set 5 volt and connect for the our circuit. Plus 5, ground connection must be common. Okay, then see, all ground points are common, only separate is what VCC. So here we have to require plus 5 volt. Okay, and this another power supply, it makes a 0 because of we are varying continuously. As input voltage varying, output digital also changing, so it becomes first initially it is a 0. Okay, so connect this 0 voltage, and ground, particular ground we have to connect for ground connection. Before connection you have to make a power supply off. So it becomes easy to connection. So right now it is what power supply, variable power supply. It is a reference voltage. Okay, so only one is remaining connection, plus 5 volt power supply. So power supply is completed. Okay, only 2 ground is connection remaining. So make it common and connect to ground. Okay, so this is what all about our connection. Only power supply positive 5 volt set by this plus 5 volt, and variable power supply, this another power supply. So make it on, remove the power supply. See, remove the power supply, make it on, and then connect the power supply by set the 5 volt. Okay, so right now we have to increase continuously. See, one by one. Okay, so see, initial what my input is what 0. All inputs are, my input is what 0. Right now my input is 0. So it is what 0 output. if we are increasing by 0.5, we are getting change occur. See, if 0.5 to 0.7, 0.5 to 0.7, yeah, it is LSB is working. That means what? 0, 0, 1. Okay, first reading. Then see, it's 0.1, make it 0.1, it becomes 1, 0. Yeah, 0, 1, 0. That means second reading. It is a 1.2 nearly equal we are getting. See, the comparator is what? Two comparators are getting. That means what? 0, 1, 0. Okay, then next 0, 1, 1. That is third reading. 0, 1, 1. Binary we are getting 0, 1, 1. It is third reading. Then 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. Fourth reading. So it is 1, 0, 1. It's a fifth reading. 1, 0, 1. It becomes fifth reading. And last is what? When we are taken last reading means what? My increasing voltage up to 2.5 volt. So all LED becomes 1, 1. Okay, that means seventh reading. So this is what? All about the analog to digital converter. Analog to digital converter. This IC produces low logic output voltage, but we want actual real voltage. So for that purpose we are use 7404, which is an inverter or NOT gate. So we are getting true output at the output. So this is all about the analog to digital converter. Thank you.